Yoga means union, yoga means integration, yoga means harmony, yoga means the balance, yoga means experiencing this inner peace and allowing ourselves to absorb into this inner peace. And you see, the biggest challenge we face in our life, that is to handle our energy, our thought, our emotions. And the yoga is the way to helping ourselves to handle our thought, emotion, our energy. So it doesn't matter which nook and corner of the world you are staying and living, which culture you belong to, which religion you belong to, which community you belong to. Our feelings, thoughts and emotions, every human beings, they are carrying the same wherever you go in this planet Earth. This is the biggest challenge, and the yoga help us to solve these equations of the life. How to integrate our energy, our thought, our emotions, our inner conscience. So here we are to learn about this and to bring this union, not only union within ourselves. Having this union within ourselves, then you want to bring this union into the entire world, because any old scriptures you take, they speak about this. The whole world is our family. The whole world is our family, that if something happens in any country or culture, it's going to impact the whole world, because we connect with each other. We are not separate and apart here. There's an old slogan, Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Kutumba means family. This whole world is our family. So we belong to the whole world. And if one person is meditating on this earth and the planet, it's going to influence and impact the whole world. From this understanding go this idea of spreading the love and the peace and the harmony. First, you allow yourself to absorb into this love, peace and harmony within ourselves. And thus every human being around the world on this planet, they are looking for these basic things. What are these basic things? Love in the heart and the peace in the heart and the surrounding. Wherever we are, we can't live just with one thing, with the bread alone or with the love alone. We need both the things. And in both the things, we need to strike the balance. So the yoga helps us to strike this balance and finding the way to our the freedom and to this inner peace and living this world a better world. We live in this world in a better way, and then when we leave this world in a better way for the coming generation, for the people who are later on going to walk on this planet. So creating a sort of paradigm for the people which can make our coexistence in a very harmonious way and in very loving way. So this is the purpose of the yoga from the ancient time, and now the entire world is looking through this yoga to bring this love and peace and harmony. Enough has happened in the term of the war, enough has happened in term of the massacre on this planet in the name of different things. Now is the time has come that we spread this message of the love, not only as a message, as an experiential. You become the embodiment of the love and the peace, and then you walk on this planet with the love and peace, and then you bring into the heart of the people, you cultivate this loving attitude, loving kindness. Yeah? Love and peace is the need of every human being, and love as peace is the only way to achieve this liberation and the freedom which we are looking. This is the goal of our life, to get into the state of samadhi, nirvana and moksha. And this can be done through the yoga. This is now very well proved and approved fact. And that's why the whole humanity is looking for something now which we can cultivate this love and peace in the heart of the people. And yoga can do these things. Already we see the shift and the change is happening since few years. and the International Day of Yoga has come into existence, you see there's a lot of change has happened already, because the yoga has this potential, yoga has this capability, yoga has this efficiency to bring the people together and live a coexistential life in a very loving and peaceful way. And that's what we are doing, and that's I am here to encourage everybody around us, whether we live in Europe or other nook and corner, to spread this love and peace and this yogic way of living the life. When yogic way of living the life means it's our life. It's not something separate and apart you can put different from your life. Life means yoga, yoga means life. It means you want to be united. Yoga, we say the union, right? And the life is also union. You are happy and peaceful and joyful when you are in union with yourself and with your friends and the family members and the peoples around you. And then you live a happy, peaceful and healthy and joyful and prosperous life, right? So it is not something different just to practice on the yoga mat and to bring some health to your body and the feeling and emotions. No. To bring some health to your body and the feeling and emotions. No. It's our very existential truth. And the time has come now to raise the more awareness about this. Then through something we can bring this holistic health to, we can provide to ourselves and all the people around us. Through the yoga, pranayama, meditation. We are existing on this planet not to ruin this planet, rather than to making it more loving and peaceful and joyful. So I'm encouraging you to be the part of this journey, and I wish you to practice with me, getting into this, absorbing into the higher self, and you are most welcome anywhere you wish to join us. Thank you. Namaste.